So I'm getting ready for my appointment right now. I have a bride. It's only a bride and a bridesmaid, but I know somebody said they wanted to see like a vlog of that, so I'm doing that. Currently it is 8:01. I gotta be there at 9 o'clock. I'm going to Mandalay Bay, which is like literally 15 minutes from my house. So we're doing good on time. We're doing real good on time if I'm sitting here doing my makeup. But yeah, I'm just listening to my, it's not really motivational, just him. Gary Vee himself is just like a powerful force, but I just listen to him till like in the morning to get, you know, that into my brain. So that's like my default, like, you know, that's like the first thing I put into my mind at the beginning of the day, then I feel like that's like my default, you know, for the day. Like I'm gonna operate off that frequency. So that's why I like to read in the morning and meditate in the morning. And I believe how you start your morning determines your day. But so I'm about to just straighten my hair real quick, but I did just clean my brushes. Well, not just, I did that last night. So there, I have them like all on a towel. Here, I'll show you guys. And when I clean my brushes, I get this a lot. If you guys want to see a video, I might just do it anyway, but I clean my brushes with Dial soap. So yeah, here's all my brushes right here. As you see, they're on this towel. So I'm gonna just put them, I'm pretty sure they're dry. Yeah, it's always the big ones that I have to worry about. That's why I like to just make sure I set them out. But one of somebody that was watching me on Instagram Live was telling me how she has the brush cleaner and it works really well. So that might be my next investment to save me a whole entire hour. Because when I tell you cleaning, I hate cleaning my brushes, like, and it's something that I have to do. So yeah. Look at, here's my little makeup over here. It's so like I don't even really have like my own makeup. It's so weird. You would think that I would have a whole bunch of makeup for myself, but literally I invest in my kit. Like that's where all my money goes. So yeah, but yeah, here is my makeup kit. As you see, I have it kind of like compartmentalized. I don't know if I said that right, but like all powders and stuff in this thing. And then there's my brushes. I got glitters over here, all eyeshadow palettes right here, all like eyebrow products and eyeliner and stuff, all of my lip liners, liquid lipsticks, concealers, setting sprays and brush cleaners and all that stuff, and primers. Then I keep my beauty blenders in this thing. And below that is all the foundations under there. It's so much traffic.
Yeah, some say.
Good thing I'm early.
That was the first time I'd ever entered an official CES event.
This is why I always leave early, because of shit like this. Damn, they didn't went up on their prices. Mandalay Bay, they cannot be charging that shit. Like, y'all had a whole shooting here. Y'all cannot be just, nah, bruh. That is not it. This all real quick, I'm kind of running, but here's my chair that I travel with. I keep my makeup suitcase shit in my trunk. And I also carry this MAC bag filled with a whole bunch of shit. Like wipes, paper towels. Don't mind my trunk, guys. But yeah, I'm at Mandalay Bay. And I have a bride, and she's actually from the UK. to the side, like that.
What, like that?
Yeah, you like it like that? Well, it's gonna be it's gonna go over your ear, but I'm saying like as far as the slick part, do you want it to come more like on your face, or would you rather it be? Because I know you want to have some of your forehead disguised.
Yeah, like that's fine.
Yeah, like this.
Do whatever you think.